Hi, this is Rose from Lighting Reimagined, here to talk to you about the Walker collection from Hinkley. I just wanted to point out that this is one of our favorite go-tos for a first-story ranch, or first story. Some of the ranches have really high roof lines now, but this has a nice curve to it where that it has a lot of substance, but yet it's a little shorter and wider for that perfect application for a ranch. It comes in different colors. What I'm showcasing here has gold and bronze. It also comes in a black and a silver. The gold and bronze is perfect for any kind of a warm color, possibly, like brick or stone or any kind of a textured exterior. And the black is beautiful as well, but it works better with cool colors. We also have a different variety of bulbs, as you can see. We have the tubular bulb and we have the little pointed bulb. The bulbs have come a long way too, because these are our LEDs. They're superb in color and longevity. They should last about 15 to 20 years. And the good thing is you won't have to change them. So check us out at Lighting Reimagined. We'd love to show you the other collections that Hinkley provides.